Let me show you how to change region and country on your Samsung Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra. So I'll show you two different ways. The first way, you simply go to your browser and search for Samsung account. And you click on this website, so account.samsung.com, and we are going to need to log in there. So sign in here. Okay, and sign in with Galaxy device. Okay. Hello. Okay, so you see you can log in here. You want to go to the profile here. Okay, and over here, as you see, country or region. Okay, click add personal information. And for example, let's see, you can now choose your country here, whatever you need. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method is also if basically whatever you need to be done by that method doesn't work. So simply go in your settings, general management here, date and time, and make sure to disable this automatic time zone. And you see, you can click over here and also change your region here, for example, to whatever you need. Okay, good luck.